Okay, so one of my exercises for the Nancy Hillis studio journey is to use two secondary colours. So I've chosen purple and orange and black and white to mix a colour palette. So here we go. Different greys, and then this is the orange mixed with the greys and black and the purple, and then the two mixed together makes this lovely colour, which is called Russet. So I'm just going to play with these on my sketchbook. I have no plan at all. I'm just going to have fun really and see where it goes.